Last year, more than 42,000 lives were lost to the opioid epidemic here in the U.S. That is more than the number of people who die from breast cancer every year. Well, a doctor at Cleveland Clinic is working on groundbreaking research that could save lives. It all started with his daughter's high school science project.
People are dying, and they're dying in large numbers.
Inside Dr. Jangwo Chung's lab here at Cleveland Clinic could be the key to solving the opioid crisis.
We found the stem cells are so powerful to prevent the development of opioid tolerance.
Stem cells. They're known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties and benefits to the immune system. And inspired by his daughter's science project, Dr. Chung's lab found they can not only prevent opioid tolerance from happening in the first place, they can also reverse addiction after the fact.
We did not expect this.
And the results were consistent, repeated over and over using different tests in mice and rats. Whether they were given stem cells 1 day or 7 days before getting daily morphine injections, tolerance was prevented. In another experiment, after 2 weeks of daily morphine, as expected, the animals developed a significant tolerance. But once the stem cells were transplanted, that went away.
No matter how good it looks on the bench, the ultimate goal is to be used in the bedside. In humans.
Dr. Chung says the results are very promising and the treatment is safe, but the next step is to get FDA approval and funding so human trials can start. He's hopeful that will happen soon.
We think about the two crises, chronic pain and opioid epidemic. You can complain about it, you can blame people, you can accept as a status quo, or you can do something about it. So we are here to do something about it.
Now, Dr. Chung says because there's a large supply of stem cells, the treatment is very cost effective, especially when you consider the enormous costs associated with chronic pain and opioid addiction. He says also the fact that stem cells are already so commonly used means FDA approval shouldn't be an issue.